last won the championship. And chance again, Bright Anukani! 3 goals in Sekafa. Bright Anukani. There is no doubt that he was on that final list of Football of the Year, but beaten by Alan Okello. Bright Anukani, the young footballer from Proline, opens the scoring for Uganda. Uganda 1, Eritrea 0. Bright Anukani, the goal scorer here. Nice movement, nice finish. Bright Anukani. Well, that's how it is. Eritrea will need to work harder to come in this. Mustafa with the throw. Okello with the flick. Bright Anukani with the finish. Bam! 1-0 here. KCC and Proline connect to give Uganda a deserved lead. Well, that's how it is. Bright Anukani on side, Watambala. It's Watambala, dodges one. Watambala crosses. Bright Anukani here. A chance for Leida to goal! Mustafa Chiza easily slides the ball into the back of the net there. Scored in the Sekafa Kagame Cup final and scores in the Sekafa Senior Challenge Cup final. It's double digits for the man Mustafa Chiza, double for him. Uganda 2, Eritrea 0. Started by Mutambala. Beautiful run from there. And easily lays it through. And Mustafa Chiza getting it from Anaku. Boom! Back of the net. Nicely dealt by Watambala. Slides it through. Controlled by Anukani. Mustafa Chiza with the goal. Well, he just loves to score in the finals, Mustafa. And look at that from Bright Anukani. Far bio with a dummy. Mustafa Chiza easily glides the ball home. Uganda 2, Eritrea 0. Will they come back is the question. Super finish. Super celebration. On the wing to Ben Ochen now. This is Ben Ochen inside the D. Can he cut it back? Wow, goal for Matondo! Joel Matondo scores on the final day of the championship. That is the first goal for Matondo. And he makes that call, telling them, do you see me? He has puffed and puffed and puffed. Joel Matondo, his first goal in the championship. His first goal for Uganda. Nicely dealt by Bright Anukani to Ben Ochen. Ben Ochen runs into the D, curls it, but look at how he strikes. Boom! Out of the boot into the back of the net. Sweet goal for Joel Madondo. Sweet finish. But again, good eyes from Ben Ochen. He has provided 2 today, Ben Ochen. And that's the finish. That's the recap of everything. Uganda surely will be collecting their 15th title of Sekafa.